This the more group less than bedroom greater than a division of the Litchfield Company property video is presented by Sherri Coates. Settle into the comfort of this 1,752 square feet vinyl siding ranch style home in Orangeburg. You'll enjoy 3-bedroom/2 bath, formal living room, kitchen, dining room, family room with stove insert fireplace, utility/laundry room, single attached garage, large workshop and fenced backyard. Call today to schedule your showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherri Coates at 803-535-6250.